Welcome to Unit 4, Lesson 4, Volume of Prisms and Cylinders. Now the nice thing about volume is that it is not as complicated a formula as with surface area. You'll see that here with prisms. The volume of a prism is equal to the area of the base times the height. We write it as V equals BH. So all we need to know is find the base area and the height, and we're golden. So, for this rectangular prism, I'm going to say that this is my base. So my volume is going to be equal to 5 times 7 times my height, which is 10. So my volume is going to be 350, and it's feet cubed now. Area and surface area are squared. Volume has units that are cubed. Now I want you to pause the video now and discuss with your group, why do you think that surface area and area are squared but volume is cubed? Okay. What I'd like you to look at here is what is going on with these numbers. All three of these numbers are being multiplied together. We have three numbers multiplied together. With area, you are multiplying two numbers together. With surface area, you, in a sense, were combining two separate areas together, but you're still only really multiplying two dimensions. With volume, we're adding in that third dimension. It's feet cubed because we have three dimensions that we're filling. So now I would like for you to pause the video again and work on these two examples with your group. Let me just fix this. These are right triangles. Let's go ahead and pause the video now. Alright, example 1. The base is going to be the triangle. So my volume is going to be 12 times 5 divided by 2, my area, my base, times my height. Do some simplification. And we get 600 inches cubed. The next example, this is a regular pentagon. So my volume is going to be the area of the base, which would be 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter times my height, which is 10. So after we simplify, this is 20 times 10. So it is 200 meters cubed. So there we have volume of prisms. Now the nice thing about prisms and cylinders are their volume formulas are exactly the same. The volume for a cylinder is area of the base times the height. So for this cylinder, our base is a circle, as with all cylinders. So it's going to be pi r squared, so that would be 9 pi times my height, which is 12. So my volume equals 339.29 feet cubed. Again, we're going to round to the hundredths place. Okay. As before, I'd like for you to work these two examples with your group after you pause the video. Okay, example 1. The area of the base is going to be 25 pi times the height, which is 1,884.96 inches cubed. So if you thought you shouldn't have got a big number, you should have got a big number. Okay, our next one, it looks like our height is 8 and our radius is 5. So my volume equals 25 pi times 8, which after plugging in a calculator gives me 628.32 meters cubed. And there we have volume of prisms and cylinders.